Do you want to generate more revenue to your workshop? Then take a look at our state-of-the-art machines, designed to be easy to use and drive profits to your garage. Carbon buildup is a serious problem for both engines and the environment, causing all sorts of issues like poor engine performance, dangerous exhaust fumes, and poor fuel economy. With our machines, you can conduct carbon cleans and DPF cleans all from your workshop. Simply connect our machines to an engine air intake and HHO gas will flow through the engine, removing the carbon deposits. After only a 30-minute service, carbon deposits are expelled naturally through the exhaust system. This means higher MPG, performance, and a better environment. Our range of DPF machines offer you an in-house, off-car cleaning solution, using state-of-the-art technology to remove up to 100% of the soot and ash clogging up the DPF. We offer financial packages, marketing support, training, warranties, and more. So join hundreds of workshops who are making excellent profits from our state-of-the-art machines.